This time we're going to build a questionnaire with Microsoft Forms. So Forms is an app that comes with your Microsoft 365 subscription and is great for asking questions and collecting information. So you can design your own form and share it with anyone who has a browser. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a customer satisfaction questionnaire. I'm going to share it with the public so I can get feedback on how they view our company. It has 10 questions of all different types, and I'm going to add a simple theme with some custom images to make it look good. So to start, I'll go to the app launcher, choose Forms, and then New Form from the landing page. I'll give my form the title Customer Satisfaction. I'll press Add New to enter my first question, and I have to choose the question type. So this first one is called a Net Promoter Score. And this question type is a standard in surveys. You'll see it everywhere. And it's designed to measure satisfaction with a number between 0 and 10. Now Forms has made a suggestion for the question once I add it. And it's how likely are you to recommend us to a friend or colleague? So that's perfect. That's exactly what I want to ask. So I'm going to use that. Okay, so now on to question 2. The next question is going to be a choice question. So I choose Add New and then Choice. My question is overall, how satisfied or dissatisfied are you with our company? And the first choice is very satisfied. So I can type that in. Now, when I do that, Forms knows this question because it's made some suggestions for the choices above. So I'm going to have 5 choices ranging from very satisfied to very dissatisfied. And I can add more choices to this question by choosing Add Option. And then I can add in the suggestions by clicking on them. To save time, I could just press Add All, and that would add all 5 suggestions to my question in the right order. And I'll do that for some of the later questions in the form. Now, question 3. So I want to ask which words describe my products. I've got 10 different words, 5 are positive and 5 are negative, and I want to allow the responder to choose as many as they like. I'm going to choose Add New, and then Choice. And my question is, which of the following words would you use to describe our products? Select all that apply. Now I add my choices. Now I want to make sure the choice is in the right order, a scale from good to bad. So I can click into any of the choices here and then reorder them. If you like the video so far, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a reminder so you don't miss anything I post. Your sub really helps us make more videos. Now I need to allow more than one choice by toggling on multiple answers. And now notice that all the checkboxes have changed from circles to squares. And anytime you like, you can preview what the form is going to look like for the responder by hitting the preview button. And in preview, I can see that question 2 is single choice. And in question 3, I can choose more than one. I can also view in mobile mode to see what it will look like on a phone. Awesome. So now let's go back to the questions. And question 4 to 9 are all choice questions, so I'm going to add them all now. This video is part of a Microsoft Forms class that you'll find in our Collaboration School. Collaboration School is an online learning library full of original on-demand classes written and taught by us. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get all the details. Okay, so question 10 is, do you have any other comments, questions or concerns? And this is a text type. And I want to make it long. And you can see now in the preview, it gives the responder a few lines to answer with. All right, so my questions are ready. Now I'd like to change the look of the form. So I'm going to go to the theme button here, and you can see there are a list of theme ideas, which is useful if you're looking for inspiration. And they change the background and the color on the form. But if you want to go with something more muted, you can choose a solid color down here. You can also choose your own background and color. So I'm going to do that. If I upload a background by choosing the upload image button here, it will take the color from it and use it for the theme. When you upload an image, you can go to a Bing image search, or you can go to your files in OneDrive. I'm going to upload an image. Okay, that looks good. You can see it's got the image and it's taking the color as well. Now the last thing I'm going to do is add my mascot to the title. So I go over to that title block and I choose Insert Image, and then I upload the mascot, and then I'll preview. Okay, that's looking good. I'm happy with the questionnaire. Okay, so that's my take on designing questionnaires in Microsoft Forms. Thanks for watching, and make sure that you check out our collaboration school if you want more tutorials and classes on apps like this. See you next time.